Hi everyone, in today's quick guide, I'll show you how to generate captions using the Blink Caption effortlessly. Whether you're a content creator or just want to add caption to your videos, this tool makes it super easy. So let's dive in. First, visit the Blink Caption website or open the app. Upload the video you want to generate captions for. Blink Caption will automatically transcribe your video, review the generated caption and make it any unnecessary details. Then adjust font size, color, and animation styles to match your video aesthetic. Then sync caption properly with the video timeline for accuracy. Once satisfied, export the video with captions embedded. Download the final version and share it on your preferred platform. And that's it. You know how to generate captions with Blink Caption in just a few steps. Try it out and make your videos more engaging. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials. See you in the next time.